Slotted spoon.
Take a slotted spoon.
I'm just gonna grab a slotted spoon here.
Corkscrew.
The first thing you gotta do is invest in a corkscrew.
It's your corkscrew.
Garlic press.
Or like a garlic press.
1 clove of garlic, either pressed through a garlic press or minced.
Spatula.
I'm going to take a spatula and really get into the bowl.
You can spread it out with a spatula.
Colander.
Put them in your colander and tape a layer of foil on top.
So after 30 minutes, you're going to drain the zucchini pieces into a colander.